Hello guys, in this video I'm going to go over the settings uh, tab and explain to you what options it gives to you. So when you click on settings, the first thing you'll see is display. You know, in display you can change, like, turn on night light. This is good for people who have, like, sensitive eyes and stuff, saying it emits blue light, I think. Get a brighter and more vibrant picture for you. As you can read over here, to change the settings you can need to click here. Also, you can change the size of the text, apps and other items by going on to 125. There's a 150 as well. If you have an external monitor, you can change it to 150 if you wanted to enlarge this size of the text, etc. You can change the resolutions from here. You can change the orientation of this display from here. If you have multiple monitors connected, a box will appear here, which will say, depending on how many monitors you have connected. If you have, like, let's just say one laptop screen and two external monitors, it will have three screens over here. Then you can rearrange them as you please. Seeing sleep better night light can help you. That's what a night light thing is for. This one over here. And these are different options. If you click on them, it will take you straight to a web page to help you set up multiple monitors. So on this page, as you can see, where it says sound, you can select if you have, like, an external headphone, headset plugged in. The output and input over here, you'll see the microphone settings and the output device settings. Over here, you can click into this. I'll bring up the settings. You can troubleshoot it if it stops working. You can test it by clicking. Well, when you do talk, a bar will appear over here. And again, advanced options, you can click on them to change the volume or other speaker settings or headset settings. In order to change the notifications and actions, you can click on notifications and actions, and you can select when you get notifications from apps and other senders. You can turn them off completely. And there's different options as you can read over here, which you can turn off and on as you like. And then there's focus assist. Like I mentioned in the previous uh, tab that I clicked on the notifications. You can select um, how long you want to focus for. I'm saying, and during that time, all notifications, alarms, and all that stuff will be turned off. Okay. Yes, so the power and sleep option, you can select, when you screen, when you want to turn your screen off, when you want it to go to sleep. You can select 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you want, so you can turn it off completely. There's additional power settings which will take you to control panel. There's the battery settings over here. So if the battery goes down to 20%, then it will turn this option on. Storage I'm not going to click on because it has basically it shows you, saying what apps you have installed, what stuff you have installed on you're keeping on your hard drive. I'm saying, there's options to, like, I'm saying, clean, I'm saying, your hard drive and stuff. Tablet, saying if you so you can switch to tablet mode if you wanted to, and these are the options it presents to you. Multitasking. Sometimes if you're working on a document, I'm saying, or two, I'm saying, and you want the browser window on one side and the document on the other side, by playing around these settings, you can make it fit to what you want. I'm saying, virtual desktops, you know. So clipboard. So what you can do, yeah, the device is clip. So there's something called clipboard, yeah, and you can turn that on by pressing the Windows button and V. What that does is whenever you copy something, it saves it to your clipboard. Then as you see, copy 5 different things, press Windows and V, and you can select what item you want to paste. It's a very useful tool. And here you can sign in to a Microsoft account, and you can go into another device and paste what you've. These two are just remote desktop. I'm saying, and in the professional version of Windows 10, you can use remote desktop. I'm saying, you can turn this feature on, and you can use remote desktop. You remote access it remotely. You can have your computer switched on, then remotely access it. I'm saying, and about page basically just tells you your computer. I'm saying, details. I'm saying, what they are, and what type of motherboard you have, and more processor, etc. Like, saying. So this was the set systems tab. Saying, or systems options um, on settings. Now I'm going to go into, in my next video, I'm going to go over other stuff that I mentioned in a previous video, okay? One by one. So thank you for watching. Really appreciate your views and your support so far. Okay, thank you. Bye.